hasn't been very long, 10 minutes or so, since I shot a bear. I was so excited about finally getting a shot. I didn't wait a lot. I could see it down there, raising its nose up and sniffing around. I was afraid it would catch my scent and run away, and I'd miss my chance here on our last day here. Oh. And of course it's thick brush down there. See what I can determine without taking too big of a risk. I honestly didn't get a look at how big the bear was. I don't think it was very big. But I can see it laying there, just barely sticking out of the brush right now. Got a good shot right in the chest, and it hasn't moved. All right, still no movement out of the bear. I'm going to try and get a different view. I'll have to get a lot closer to do that. Guns ready and on safe. No, I don't see it. Uh-oh. What the heck? Did that bear crawl away? Oh, there it is. Now I got an eye on it. Right over there. Looks like a color phase bear. Better. Over there is a better place to see without getting right up on it. Like I said, I don't think it's a very big bear, but it was alone. It had wind of me. Ooh, bigger than I thought. All right, it's been quite a while, 20 minutes or so. This bear hasn't so much as moaned or twitched. No one else is here yet, but they're on their way. Oh, man. That looks like a pretty big bear to me. Wow. eyes open. He is really, really dead. You know, I'm still want to wait for others, but look at the color of that. That's a chocolate bear. So, my first bear ever. Measure his girth here. And wow, I can't even slide the tape around. We're right between 47 and 48 there. I think 47 is what it is. So that comes up to 294 pounds. And it is a boar. I didn't know that till I got down here. We got everything we need there.
There's the evidence.
Yeah. Cool.
We want to measure the length.
Oh yeah, sure.
How tall he is.
Yeah.
On his hinds.
If we can get that damn tape measure out.
There it is.
Getting kind of
Oh,
bloody here.
screen went blank, Butch.
Just touch it. So, tip of his nose, the base of his tail.
I'm gonna hold that at him.
Help me with the tip there. Here's base of his tail. Talking 48, 23, 16.
Turn it over.
Yeah, you're reading the wrong side of the tape.
Okay, let's go back to
Do
here.
it again here.
Okay.
I know he's bigger than that. Yeah.
Yeah, exactly. 5 feet. Exactly 60 inches to the tail and 78 to the heel.
Which is 6.5 feet.
Holy crap.
Well, it's
Nose to feet. Yeah.
So 5 feet nose to tail. He'll square out nice.
Yes, he will.
Wow.
That's a good bear.
Man, oh man, oh man. And I wasn't sure what size he was, and I just afraid he was going to smell me because
Oh, he's a good one.
the wind had been coming this way a little bit. We need to.
That's a good shot right there.
Yeah, we need to range that.
I got my range finder, but
I
there's
shot
a stand right up there.
that pine tree. I shot kind of under it where it bends.
Yeah.
Yep.
And
Looks like you stopped him dead in his tracks.
Dropped him in his tracks. So yeah,
man, oh man, oh man. Color
it's time
fills.
to get him all gutted out, and
Yeah.
then we'll move him up to the buggy.
Hey, is that gun okay there? I thought I had it out of the way. Looks like maybe not. Hi, Mom.
Well, pretty rare, man. You get a bear and a cougar when you're deer hunting.
Oh, I know. Don't even see a buck.
It's true. Oh, so I
GoPro, stop video.